Today, I'm going to talk to you about the process of lasting power of attorney, often known as LPA. There are three options to support a situation when a patient or a person has lost capacity to make their own decisions. The first and best option is lasting power of attorney. This is put in place when you do have capacity and can choose your own trusted person or attorney to make decisions on your behalf about property, about health, about finance. The second option is if somebody has lost capacity and has no power of attorney in place, then a deputy can be appointed by the Court of Protection to make decisions on that person's behalf. The final option is for an IMCA, an independent mental capacity advocate, to be appointed. This person will be appointed if somebody has no trusted person in place, is vulnerable, all alone, has no attorney and no deputy to act on their behalf. Now, the word attorney often means a lawyer, but actually you can appoint anybody who you trust, family member, friend, who can make decisions, who you trust to make decisions in the event of you losing capacity and the ability to make your own decisions. Now, you need capacity to choose your attorneys, whether it's your spouse, your daughter, your friend. And there are two different types of attorneys you can appoint. You can appoint an attorney to look after your property and finances, draw money from your bank account, look after your home, even sell your home. And you can appoint an attorney to look after your health and welfare and to make decisions about your health and perhaps where you live or medical treatment decisions on your behalf if you lose capacity. Now, this is a legal process. It takes time to complete. After you've chosen your attorneys, there's a long document and a fee to pay to the Office of the Public Guardian if you live in England and Wales. And it takes 10 weeks to complete. There is a very helpful government website to guide you through this, but if you don't live in England and Wales, you need to look at the regulations for the area in which you live, because these may vary. Now, if you don't have an attorney in place, particularly for your health decisions, and you lose capacity to make your own decisions, then decisions are made under a process called best interests. This is governed by the Mental Capacity Act, which I won't go into detail, but best interest decisions are made by those who know you well and those who are looking after you. Now, although you may think that everybody would agree and know what your decision should be, often there's conflict within families, for instance, whether you should go to a care home, whether you should be admitted to hospital, who should look after you. And therefore, if you want to avoid conflict, then having a chosen attorney to make these decisions, who you totally trust to make the right decisions, is really important. So do think about appointing a lasting power of attorney for health and welfare and property and finances early when you're well enough to do so.